Make money with Fiverr. What you can sell on Fiverr today. Hi there, today we are going to share a list of services that you can start providing on Fiverr today. Some of these services are in high demand, and if you approach this right, you can become very successful on this platform. So get ready to take notes, and don't forget to leave any questions below in the comment section and hit that subscribe button. Fiverr is an extremely popular micro-gig site. Thousands of people have created regular income for themselves by using Fiverr as a platform for offering their services. The idea behind Fiverr is very simple. What will you do for $5? Offer that on their site and let someone pay you to get it done. The catch, of course, is that you don't really get $5 for the services you offer, since Fiverr does take a cut of your earnings. You can read more details on that here in my review of Fiverr. So really you need to ask yourself what you would do for $3 and some change, since I believe that's roughly what it works out to. So what can you sell on Fiverr? Sometimes it's hard to think of something to sell. I did some research and brainstorming today to come up with some things you could offer. Some of the stuff I found on Fiverr is a little off the wall, so for this list I'm sticking with things that more people might actually need. Write articles or blog posts. Edit articles or blog posts. Write resumes and cover letters. Write product descriptions. Write headlines. Write letters, emails. Offer your handwriting services, thank you notes, greeting cards, etc. Critique websites. SEO help. Do keyword research for people looking to improve their website SEO. Turn photographs into paintings, digital images. Create or modify spreadsheets. Design logos and banners. Design ebook covers. Design business cards. Edit, retouch images. Make crafts. Send video messages. Paint, draw pictures. Share links, promos to your Facebook or Twitter followers works best if you have tons of followers. Help people get Facebook or Twitter followers. Create video advertisements. Help troubleshoot website problems. Help people set up their websites. Translation. Interpretation. Transcribe audio files. Post advertisements to Craigslist and other sites online. Help others with homework, essays. Give advice. The sky is the limit here. What are you qualified to give advice about? Help people brainstorm, come up with ideas. Create PDF files. Get rid of computer viruses or malware. Sing songs on video or audio for others. Create music for others using your talent, guitar, piano, etc. Do voiceovers, voice acting. Write songs or jingles. Master audio tracks. Do research. Teach lessons. This goes without saying, but before deciding what services to offer, make sure the pay is worth your time. I see a lot of people on Fiverr offering services that I am amazed they are willing to do for such low pay. But it all depends on how long it takes you to do something. Fiverr is definitely the most popular site of this type. Do you sell any of these services on Fiverr? Have you used Fiverr much? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video useful, feel free to subscribe. Until next time. Goodbye.